Hello everybody, I am Maria Bustamante. I'm 28 years old. I'm friendly and emotional. I love to sing and to write, also to dance. I don't like to cook. I'm from Caicedonia Valle, but I lived in Andalusia Valle for a long time. It's very difficult for me to choose a book favorite because I have many favorite books. I am trying to learn English because I love language. I am a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. My favorite celebration or holiday is Christmas. At Christmas is like I like remember Jesus Christ, his nativity, and his love for the world. Also, I like to cook natilla and buñuelos. My family and I, we get together and spend time together. I don't wear special clothes, only enjoy the day and the ambient Christmas. I like to dance with my family and friends. For entertainment, currently I'm reading a book called The Book of Mormon. I'm watching a series called The Vampire Diaries. Currently I enjoy to listen a singer called Melendi. Currently I'm listening to one of my favorite songs, Creep by Radiohead. Currently, I like watching Disney movies. I'm also reading Price and Prejudice. Currently, I'm listening rap music. I'm always doing exercise at 6 a.m. I'm always studying at 7 p.m. About clothes. I must wear jacket in Pasto. I must wear shorts in Santa Marta. I must wear swimsuit when I go to beach or pool. I must wear coat in Bogota. I must wear cool clothes when it's hot like in Cali. I must wear sun hat in Barranquilla. I must wear gloves on the Everest. I must wear short dress in summer. I must wear short pants in the Caribbean coast. Description or housing chores. Okay, I'm not very good at this. I always clean my bedroom. I sometimes wash the bathroom. I usually wash the clothes. I hardly ever cook. I always go to work every day. I sometimes wash the dishes. I sometimes clean the floor. I'm a businesswoman.